Demonstrate a DDoS attack, which stands for distributed denial of service. You can see here alert type is DDoS attack detected. Severity is critical. You can see here. I am using this demo logs to demonstrate this DDoS attack. Okay, the target is web server, which is having an IP and time is 11:05 am. The target here is web service and the number of system is receiving an extremely high number of requests, around 1.2 million requests per second. Okay, suspicious activity found in this is number one is extremely high traffic. Second, traffic from multiple IP addresses, sudden spike in incoming connection. The traffic is coming from multiple IP addresses, which means many systems are involved in this attack. Because of this sudden spike in traffic, the server becomes overloaded and unable to handle normal user requests. Okay, then the attack type you can see here with the full form DDoS, distributed denial of service. And as a result, the website becomes slow or completely unavailable, which is known as a service disruption. The impact you can see here: the server will overload, website not accessible, and the service disruption for users. The alert also shows recommended actions like blocking suspicious IP addresses, enabling firewall protection, and using load balancing to manage traffic. So this is the example clearly shows how attackers use multiple systems to flood a server and make the service unavailable to every user.